we will learn the Mannich reaction. It is a condensation reaction of active hydrogen containing compounds like aldehydes, ketones, phenols, nitroalkanes with formaldehyde and ammonia or primary amine or secondary amine to give the Mannich base, that is the substituted methyl derivative, is known as a Mannich reaction. That is a condensation reaction of active hydrogen containing compound in bracket, it may be aldehydes, may be ketones, may be phenols, may be nitroalkanes, etc. It means those such compound which having the active hydrogen. Okay, such compounds with formaldehyde and either ammonia or primary amine or secondary amine to give Mannich base is known as a Mannich reaction. See here, it is a condensation of active hydrogen containing compound. Active hydrogen compounds are those which hydrogens are more acidic. That is those hydrogens which are present in the aldehyde, ketones, phenol or nitroalkane, such compounds. Okay, which is treated with formaldehyde and one of the molecule, that is either ammonia or primary amine or secondary amine, to give rise to the Mannich base. This reaction is known as a Mannich reaction. Now we will see the reaction, that is a general reaction. R C double bond O CH3. Generally ketones treated with here formaldehyde HCHO plus, as I said, either ammonia or primary amine or secondary amine. Here I will take here secondary amine, that is R2NH amines, that is out of 3 hydrogens of the ammonia, 2 are replaced by the alkyl group. It is an example of secondary amine. Okay, formaldehyde, and this is a ketone, general ketone. Now here this amine is generally in the form of salt, HCl. Okay, in the salt form. Now what happens here? It gives rise to product as R C double bond O, that is CH3 is converted into CH2, and this will be again CH2, and then here this is an NR2. Now see here, this compound is the Mannich base. Okay, it is an beta aminoketone. See here, this is a principal function group. Why it is known as a beta aminoketone? Name of product is beta aminoketone, which is Mannich base. Okay, also known as a Mannich base. Now see here, this is our principal function group. This is the alpha carbon, this is an beta carbon. On the beta carbon, this is an amino, hence it is known as beta aminoketone. Okay, now why here it is called, in this reaction generally we are using the secondary amine, not the primary or ammonia generally. The reason is that if you take the primary amine or ammonia, what happens here, Instead of this R2, here if you use the ammonia, then there will be two protons remained in this reaction. And again that protons are again acidic, that will further react with the same molecule here, the ketone and formaldehyde, and will get here again the same here side chain, and again this one. Okay, if you take here primary amine, then one of the hydrogen remained there, again the reaction will take place. That's why to avoid such product we have to take here the secondary amine. Secondary amine is suitable in this reaction, that's why we are using generally the secondary amine. Okay, now we will take here particular example. Take now here acetone CH3 C double bond O CH3. Acetone is treated with one of the formaldehyde, one of here secondary amine as a dimethylamine CH3 taken 2 times NH. Okay, which on heating here will get the product as this is acetone, this is a formaldehyde, and this is a dimethylamine. Now we get here product as CH3 C double bond O. CH3 is converted into here CH2, and this is again CH2, and here it is N. Now these two are the methyl. This is again a beta amino. Next to the principal functional group, this is alpha and beta carbon. Okay, beta amino ketone. Okay, in this way you will get the managed base. One more example, if you take here phenol. Now as we know that the phenol OH group is an orthoparadirecting. These three positions are active here. This one, this hydrogen ortho, and these two are ortho, and this one is para. All these hydrogens are active. If you react this molecule with formaldehyde HCHO plus dimethylamine CH3 taken 2 times NaH, then if you take these two X's, then all the protons are replaced. But if you take here only one molecule, one equivalent of these two, then we will get the product as this one OH. Now this carbon will be react with this one, formation of CH2, and this is N CH3. Okay, this is again the product of managed base, managed reaction. It is managed base. Okay, now if you take here, this is excess. Okay, this is excess and this excess, then all these three positions will be converted into CH2N CH3. Again this will be CH2N CH3 in this way. Okay, it means all the protons from the ortho and para will be replaced. Okay, now we will see the mechanism of this reaction. In mechanism part, we have taken here secondary amine R2NH, which is treated with formaldehyde HCHO. It is an formaldehyde. Now here this lone pair of electron will be attacked on this carbon. 5 electrons will be shifted towards the oxygen. It becomes R2 NH C, here O minus H and H. Once this nitrogen donates the lone pair of electron, it becomes N plus. Now what happens? This one of the proton will be this electron, that is NH electron, this electron will be abstracted by the nitrogen. It becomes lone pair, and that proton will be takes place by the O minus. Here it is converted into R2. Here N with lone pair. Here CH2OH. Now further on protonation H plus, this lone pair form the double bond, and that OH takes this proton and loss of water molecule takes place. OH takes the proton and there will be loss of water molecule. We will get here R2 N double bond CH2. Okay, as nitrogen donates the lone pair of electron, nitrogen becomes positive charge. Okay, now there will be resonance in this molecule, as that nitrogen takes here. Immediately this nitrogen, what happens, it takes this electron towards itself and it becomes R2N CH2 plus. Okay, R2N CH2 plus, or you can write this also iminium ion. Okay, this can be converted into this one. Okay, resonance. And now again this lone pair can form here double bond and the nitrogen becomes electron deficient. This is an iminium ion. Iminium ion. Once that iminium ion is generated, that will be react with here the acetone. The acetone here CH3 C double bond O CH3 undergoes ketoenol tautomerization. That is ketoenol tautomerization. These electrons shifted here and this pi electron towards O minus, that becomes the keto form is converted into enol form. That is a CH3 C OH double bond CH2. Once that enol is obtained, that enol will be treated with the iminium ion. How it is? Here CH3 COH double bond CH2, this lone pair of electron, which is treated with iminium ion, that is CH2 double bond NR2, nitrogen with positive charge. Now see here, this lone pair form here double bond, and double bond from this carbon will be attack on this carbon and pi electron towards the nitrogen. Now CH3 C double bond O H, it becomes O plus, and finally it takes this electron and again becomes lone pair of electron. I will directly here double bond oxygen. Okay, now this is CH2, this is again the CH2, and this one is NR2. This is an beta amino ketone, which is the managed base in this managed reaction. Okay, we'll stop here.